The BRP Tatlac LD 601, as assessed in 2026, stands as one of the Philippine Navy's most versatile and dependable amphibious vessels, demonstrating remarkable consistency in mission readiness. While often overshadowed by more publicly celebrated surface assets, it has quietly built a reputation for reliability essential to the fleet's daily operational demands. Its design emphasizes practicality over spectacle, and this becomes evident the moment one steps aboard. The ship's structure favors efficiency, offering generous deck space and internal volume tailored for rapid embarkation and disembarkation of personnel, vehicles, and humanitarian cargo. This utilitarian approach remains one of its greatest strengths. The vessel's propulsion and engineering systems continue to perform admirably despite the increasing demands placed on them. Routine maintenance cycles in 2026 have benefited from upgraded logistical planning, allowing the ship to maintain better operational availability compared to previous years. Crew accommodation, while not luxurious, has seen small but meaningful improvements. Minor refurbishments, improved ventilation systems, and reorganized berthing spaces have collectively enhanced habitability, particularly during extended deployments. The ship's command and control systems received incremental upgrades throughout 2025 and into 2026. These enhancements, though modest, have improved situational awareness and mission coordination, especially during joint exercises with allied forces. One of the most notable developments this year has been the refinement of the ship's amphibious operation protocols. Lessons learned from past disaster response missions have shaped a more agile and responsive approach to offloading equipment and humanitarian supplies. The deck layout remains one of the ship's strongest features. It provides the necessary flexibility for handling everything from military hardware to relief goods, allowing it to transition smoothly between combat support and civil assistance roles. Operational reliability has been a key talking point among naval analysts. The BRP Tatlac's systems have shown resilience in the face of demanding maritime conditions, proving that even older platforms can deliver impressive performance when properly maintained. Its defensive systems are modest but adequate for the missions it typically undertakes. While not designed for frontline combat, the ship's onboard weapons and improved coordination with escort vessels provide a reassuring level of protection. In terms of maritime diplomacy, the vessel has contributed meaningfully to regional engagement efforts. Port visits, joint trainings, and multinational humanitarian activities have all benefited from the ship's presence and capabilities. Humanitarian assistance and disaster response remain areas where the ship truly excels. Its capacity, accessibility features, and logistical flexibility make it invaluable during typhoon seasons, when rapid maritime deployment becomes crucial. The crew's proficiency has noticeably grown in recent years. Drills conducted throughout 2026 reflect a mature understanding of amphibious operations, highlighting how consistent training translates into operational confidence. Another noteworthy aspect is the ship's integration with unmanned systems. Although still in experimental stages, tests involving small aerial drones for reconnaissance and logistics have opened new avenues for modernizing the vessel's capabilities. Fuel efficiency, while not exceptional, has improved slightly through refined routing and updated engine management practices. This has translated into marginally longer operational ranges, beneficial during prolonged maritime patrols. The ship's medical bay has also seen useful upgrades, allowing it to handle larger volumes of patients during crisis situations. This improves not only combat readiness but also humanitarian effectiveness. Public perception of the BRP Tatlac has grown more positive, largely due to increased transparency regarding naval modernization and the ship's visible contributions to national missions. Its interoperability with newer vessels has strengthened the fleet's cohesion. Exercises in 2026 show that despite its age, the ship can still function seamlessly within modern task groups. Crew morale aboard the vessel appears higher this year than before. Enhanced training opportunities, modest equipment upgrades, and successful mission outcomes have contributed to a renewed sense of pride. The ship continues to face challenges, particularly regarding long-term modernization. Certain systems are nearing the limits of their feasible upgrade paths, indicating that strategic planning for replacement platforms will soon be necessary. Nonetheless, current performance metrics show the BRP Tatlac remains dependable and mission-capable. Its stability and adaptability continue to justify its role as a core component of amphibious operations. As 2026 progresses, the ship stands as an example of what thoughtful maintenance, modest modernization, and crew dedication can achieve. It may not be the most advanced vessel in the region, but it consistently delivers when it matters most. In summary, the BRP Tatlac LD 601 remains a reliable, flexible, and operationally valuable asset whose performance in 2026 has reinforced its essential place within the Philippine Navy's amphibious and humanitarian mission set.